Good morning students, as we are discussing the chapter first of your economics book. So the name of the chapter is the story of village Palampur. So in this chapter we talk about the introduction of the story, that what is the basic purpose of the story. So the main purpose of the story to introduce to us about the factor, process of production, what are the factor of production and what type of economic activity take place in an economy. Okay, so all these things like factor of production, what is the process of the production, what is the organization of the production, so all these are tell us through a story. So that is the story of village Palampur. Okay, so in this part we will talk about capital needed in farming, then sale of surplus from products, non-farm activities, shopkeepers of Palampur and transportations. So as we discussed that land is a limited. Okay, what are the factor of production? What are the factor of production? Yes, can you tell me? What are the factor of production? So mainly factor of production are land, labor, capital. Okay, so land is limited. Okay, we cannot increase the area of land, but by doing multiple cropping, by using modern methods of production, we can get the more production from the same area of land. Okay, so that we also discussed that due to green revolution there was multiple increase in the production. So the area of the land was limited, but there was multiple increase in the production in agriculture sector because of modern method of farming. So in green revolution basically new variety of seeds we can say or use, that were wheat and rice, and in Punjab and Haryana there was the much effect of this green revolution. Okay, so due to green revolution it take place in 1966. We can say first green revolution take place in 1966, then it was in 1970s. Okay, there were two steps of green revolution. So due to first step of green revolution there was much increase in the production. So land is fixed area, and no doubt that after green revolution there is more use of pesticides, fertilizer in the agriculture sector. It means that we are adopting modern methods of farming. And what is needed in modern methods of farming? To use more pesticides, fertilizer. What a farmer needs? He needs money. So what is money? Money is capital. Okay, money is capital. So money is needed, or we can say capital is needed in farming to use the modern methods of farming. Okay. So what the farmer do for the money? We have talked about the story of about the village Palampur, that in Palampur there are some small farmer, okay, medium farmer and large farmer. It means small farmers, they have small area of land. Okay, and there are also some people who do not have any land, or we can say their own farm. They work in other people farm to earn their living. Okay, so small farmer do not having any saving, and what they do, they borrow money to purchase the inputs in farming. What type of input? Like seeds, pesticides, fertilizer. So to purchase these things money is needed, and small farmer borrow the money to buy these things. Okay, and borrowing of money is obviously a burden on the farmer. Why? Because they normally in rural area what happen, farmer what money lender do? He charge high rate of interest, and due to that they go under a debt trap, okay, because they are not able to return the earlier loan. And sometime what happened, due to natural calamities there is less production or destroy of the crop, and due to that they are not able to repay the loan. And for the fresh crop they also need to borrow the money to purchase the inputs, and because of that the farmer fell in a debt trap, okay. Then medium farmer, they have little bit of their savings, and because from these savings they can purchase the inputs. And large farmers used to give money to the small farmers, or they hire the labor. Large farmer hire the laborers, or we can say the people who don't have their overland, they used to work in the large farmer farm, okay, and they pay the wages or money, we can say, to the laborers, okay. So labor is hired by the large farmer. So money, or we can say capital, is needed in the farming to purchase or to hire the factor of production. Then the next is sale of surplus farm product. As we talk that we can increase production from the limited area of land. So what happened, there is multiple increase in the production, okay. So can the farmer consume all the like there is a crop of wheat, okay. So what farmer do? Do he himself consume all the we can say wheat, whatever he produce in their farm? Obviously no. The farmer kept a part of wheat for the self-consumption, and remaining he sell in the market, okay. So what the farmer do? In Palampur village also farmer kept the grain, we can say, for self-consumption, whatever quantity they need, and the remaining, that is called surplus, means ज़्यादा है, जो बच जाता है उनके पास, जो सेल्फ कंजप्शन के लिए यूज़ करने के बाद जो ग्रेन बच जाता है उसका वो क्या करते हैं, मार्केट में सेल कर दिया जाता है. The non-farm activities, okay. As we have talked that there are farm activities and non-farm activities also take place in the village Palampur. So non-farm activities, what we include, non-farm activity means the people who are not engaged in farming. They are not doing the farming. So what type of work they are doing? They are engaged in dairy, okay. Next we can say also shopkeeper. Some people having their small manufacturing industry, small manufacturing, okay. So all these type of work is non-farm activities, okay. So some people in Palampur are included in non-farm activities. They are their living by doing shops. Dairy means they provide the milk to the cities in town, okay. Then shopkeeper having different types of things. Not only they purchase the grain from the farmer, but also they are giving things to the people like oil, toothpaste, soap, okay, different types of things that are required in our daily use. So shopkeeper kept these type of things and they sell to the people. Then small manufacturing means the people, they don't have big factories, like they have small type of work like handicraft, okay. So family workers are doing only that work. They do not hire laborers from the outside. Then transportation play a very important role in the economic activity. As we also, when we talk about the sector of the economy, then we talk primary, secondary and tertiary sector. So primary sector means agriculture. We talk about the agriculture in primary sector. So these produced goods are used, or we can say raw material from the agriculture sector is used to manufacturing the good in secondary sector. So what transportation role is here? Transportation supply the goods from primary sector to secondary sector and secondary sector to tertiary also, and transportation is also a part of tertiary sector, okay. So this is a type of service. So in Palampur village, we can say that transportation is a very fast developing. Okay, people having different type of transportation facility, like they having rickshaw, auto rickshaw, okay, jeep, car, bike. So these type of transport, truck. So these are used to transport goods from village to the cities or nearby towns. Okay, so transportation facility is also good in village Palampur. So the story is also given in your book related to transportation, that how transportation help, like there is a person who is not able to fulfill his family needs from the whatever he earn from doing work in other people farm. So what he do, he took a loan from the government bank, that was under the government scheme. It means that the loan was at a cheap rate, okay, cheap rate of interest. So he used to take the loan and he purchased a buffalo from that loan, and he sell the milk to the cities or town, and he attach a wooden cart to the buffalo. So buffalo is also giving milk, and he also use as a transportation. So transportation also play an important role. So these are the types of economic activities, different type of activities we can say. These type of activities help in our economy, okay, and also provide employment to the people. So students, this is about the chapter first, that is story of village Palampur. So today we have completed this chapter. So read chapter from your book and also do the related question answer. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.